So I will select this polyline for the left side. So from here the lane 2 will target the left side, and here for the right side the width target I will select for offset. In the offset I will select here the right side parking. If any rear here, it is no parking here on the right side, so it is I think it's going the right. Okay, no problem for this one. When I select, and then when I click apply and OK, you will see what will happen here in this part. Now my corridor, if you check here, before it was going here, now it goes here in this side. It target this parameter. I can if you check from the corridor here section, when it will go up to here, I will check this part. I will change this part, but okay, I will okay, it's much bigger. Okay, now this part I will change this portion. I will put the median here, but as it will go forward, you will see the width of this area where the parking, from where the parking will start, it will change. I will go the next station. Now in this portion you can see the width. The width is 3.65. As it will go forward here, and check the width here. Now the width is 6.32. Next 6.32 well, because the parking area is also added to this part, because I target this polyline to the outer lane 2, which was left side 2, so it target here on this portion. On the right side, as you can see, 3.65, 3.65 is the normal also. When it will go after this one, I will move from here. It will cross this area, you will see it will again come to the normal 3.65. Because with the corridor the file become heavy, so it will take time a little bit. Let's move here, go to 140, and you will see this again 3.65. So in this area it's target this portion with the parking, so it's become 3 points, and you can see, so it's correcting the, it's mean it's targeting in this area. I target this portion. For this portion, what will I do? I will create another assembly which do not have the because I will create a separate assembly for this portion, so only the side will be vertical. So what will I do? I will copy this sub-assembly, the assembly here. As you can see, this is my left side, so on the left side we don't have we don't need the light, we public realm, we don't have no curve gutter and sidewalk, only this area we have. So I will rename this sub-assembly. Sorry, I will select the property from here. I will select the assembly. It's left side vertical. Apply. Okay. So why I divided this corridor, because if I select this one and I go to the here the region property, it asking for the region for this region. Yes, for this region I will select the assembly left side vertical and apply it. Okay, now you will see it's now it's become vertical. This only is following the main lane. Also you can see in the editor, let's move to this portion. You will see I will change again the okay. In this portion you will see we will move here to okay this targeting the parking. Again we need to remove forward. You will see in this area it's vertical. Now I don't have also you can remove this portion if you don't need, so you can move this one only. We will leave this one. So from the assembly this portion, if I check here I can delete this one and it will update automatically. I will leave it here, rebuild all, and now it rebuild, and you will see here become the vertical. So now you will create the other side, it will connect with this portion. So like this, one by one we will target ourselves here. As you can see now we need another assembly with the right side. So what will I do? I will copy the first one, I will delete the right side. Now I don't need the right side here. Even this portion also. So I will change the name here, so I will know then local road or the assembly right side vertical. The other one was the left side vertical. Now again I will go to the corridor. I will select the region property, this region. As you can see where I split the region, it's showing me the sign here, so I will select this one and I need the right side vertical, then apply. Okay, here you can change the frequency from here. And now if you will check the if I check this one, the file become heavier, will be creating anything inside one file. I will explain how we can make a light not very heavy file. So but now because every day we are working in one drive, so I must create inside this one. So I will escape because this it's better to view in the corridor editor rather than looking here, because it become very heavier